Hey, to each his own.
He just won his he just got his siren song. He's vibing out now.
Oh, he's gonna
Bro,
watch us fuck up.
I guess like when you almost get, yeah, I guess when you almost get fucked up, right? You almost die. You can't do anything but laugh. Like it's like, oh, we almost got hit by that train. Fuck.
Oh, it's actually happened to me more times than I want to count, getting hit by a train.
Yeah. Oh, they didn't. They didn't stop.
Uh,
No, he is. His sounds are up. Look. Yeah, his sounds are up. Look. The sloop sail is up. Next to the ship. Yes. Oh, their sails are like raised. So I don't know. No, they're there. They're there. This guy's like do 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 do.
singing Busan
Chat,
Bill.
like you know, like chat +1 or whatever, like +100 to chat, just leveled up. He's like, oh, it's got messed up, but my charisma.
Speaking of, hey, Suka,
Yo,
play D&D.
no,
Oh, you poor soul.
I never played it. I've heard about it though.
There's two games that are similar. Well, there's its sister game called Pathfinder, which is basically just the same thing as D&D, but a lot more character creation involved. Like, you can create absolutely anything you want.
Nice.
Yeesh.
Is that anchored?
Looks like it.
This is so
So there's
sad.
one in the ship.
Is that why he was singing it? Because you were playing that with him?
Yes, yeah.
No, like, did you play with him like that? Like, did you play music with him?
No,
Oh.
no, I didn't.
Okay. Yeah. I thought maybe that's why he got it in his head.
I think he was just vibing.
Yeah, he had like tattoos but like no clothes. And then
No, that's
Yeah?
the player galley I talked about earlier.
oh, well, which one? Just say I'm from the galley. You shouldn't have come near me. Yeah,
No.
he can. Oh,
I
you
can.
can't. He can only shoot.
I have a head. Here's the thing. I have a headset, but it does not have a toggle for talk in game.
Okay. Okay. This is rough. I feel bad for lying, but okay. I can't lie.
He's a gold hoarder.
Okay, I said I'm from the galley. Stay the F away. Or we'll sink. Or we'll sink you. We'd like to see you come after us. You better not come after us. Uh oh. Is he trying to get it? He doesn't know how to get it? No way. Let me climb up, which is really bad. He's got a keg. You know what? I'm just gonna shoot it.
I shoot him.
I'm from the galley, you should have come near us.
Go and drive away before he sits on a brig.
White sail galley.
Thanks, Brig, for helping me.
Brig's gonna sink for sure. He's on his boat looking at us. He's on his boat just looking at us, bro.
That is a glorious sight, Suka. Congratulations.
Wait, when I put the keg, our keg. Quick, when I put our keg, I dropped it somewhere. I picked it up and put it. Yeah, but when I put our keg somewhere. Where's our keg? Where's our keg?
Oh no.
It's up here. It's alright. I got it. They're not gonna see it. Do it quick now. They don't know I'm here. Just run it.
А что он делает?
Oh my god.
Все, нас догатили.
Hey guys, what's up? Tell you what, I'll trade you one keg for whatever treasure you have.
Меня убили.
Oh my god, you guys are insane. Rough one. Get blue. Crab guy died. Is he crab? What is he? Pirate? You look like crab. Yeah.
Was fun.
Oh, look at their loot in here. That was kind of awkward. Thanks, guys. Do you want this treasure? I can't read what they're doing. One guy's coming back. He's in the
Give
water.
me a
Yeah?
sec.
Should we not kill him? Should we not kill him? Yeah, he's on the rock. He's on the rock. But should we not kill him? Oh, DC did he? Should we get another
Alrighty.
keg? Do it again. He shot at us though. That would be some sort of gold hoarder mission. I think that's why they got these chests here. They got gold trinkets in them. Yeah, this one has one as well.
Trinkets. Sorry, I'm like openly infatuated. More for my collection.
Are we get a keg? Oh. No, he's been the other one. They had the guy on the shore. He came back and was like, what the fuck? How much? They took so many holes from that one thing. Up in the galley, you shouldn't have. Because we couldn't even
You're
hear
telling me.
because yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. We'll go get a keg and bring him another one. I gotta find a keg. I don't know where they are. Oh, it's huge. There, that one. Look at that. Back around too. There's another keg if you want it. Like right near you guys. Just in this corner here. Like not where I am, but to the right of the pond. If you want to double keg him. He lowered? No, he's like only a little bit though. Is he? No, he's not. He's doing good. His sails, and he just raised his sails and. It was to the right, to the right. No, like all the way around the bay, to the right, like right of the ship. No, back starboard, back starboard of the ship. Like the I think south, yeah, of the pond. Of the pond. There's all. Raised. I can do it fine now.
Yeah. Coming. Yep.
Should we just go survive, did you? Go again. Popping us out? Oh. He's snoring. He's trying to get away. The nerve. He didn't even grab the ruby chest.
This is our sea, buddy. To pay the seafarer tax.
My guy had like 4 kegs
Well,
up
I'm
there.
not wrong.
He ran? Did he? No, he's behind it. Okay.
He's leaving.
He has like the set that you were wearing. Or someone was wearing. Or Spite or something. Yeah.
Still harpooned.
Good popping this, man.
Hey, still
Yeah.
harpoon.
That's not on mine. It is.
Help.
Yeah, ours is still happening. Oh, yeah, he is as well. What the hell? We're both doing it. Church, I had it. He's left. Did he shoot a flare? What was that? Yeah, you boys need to work on that sales management rather than bow watching. He's trying to go to ancient, is he? No, it's Bottom, isn't it? We're gonna
It's a
get
gem.
blown up.
It's a gem.
Wait, what is he trying to sell? I'm gonna try catch wind, I guess. Right, no, I can't. Maybe. Actually, you could shoot over. It's fine. Here, make him run. Make him like force him to run. I'll just one wind. Yeah. Sails to the front. Oh, and actually lean to the left, lean to the left. The wind changed. But yeah. Yeah.
Another skelly fleet. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, but he's gonna give you
well.
what you want.
I know. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it anymore.
Yeah, just the gold holder. This guy's still harpoon on my screen. When I look back at the
Still
boat.
alive.
Yeah, if I look back at the boat, I always see it. Like look back at where the Reaper is, and you can see it coming through. Yeah, he like tried to harpoon it and then had to run. This guy's turning again. Up. He's smart. Oh, he's gonna fight us. I don't want to. No, I don't want to nose him though. If he turns, my bad. If he keeps going straight, it's fine. Where's he going? He's turning right? He's going right or straight? He's going right. I'm going right. I'm going to cut with this rock. Wait, what? We can make this. It's fine. No, he's going through. He's trying to get around him, isn't he? Yeah. Look, he's in line with us. Right, if the happiness left. No one done it? Oh, that's fine, we'll make it. We'll get it happy. Yeah. You want to have in there? Or you can maybe come in. Have it left? Turn us to the right for a second. Oh, why didn't no one turn us? No. Okay, so I'm off the boat. I'm Spade. You need to race.
Yep.
No one harpooned us left, bro. Like I said, bro. Whatever, like. Yeah, I meant like harpoon us to him. We could. No, we couldn't harpoon. Yeah, cause there's no rocks on the right. I was like. Yeah, I meant like turn us left, I think. Yeah, I think that's him. It's just I kept blocking him. I meant like turn us left. I said turn us left. I think I said harpoon right at first, and then later I said turn us left because I wanted to like anchor ball him. No, I wanted to anchor ball him. I wanted just one shot. I needed one shot. Yeah. Someone's shooting a lot above. There's a fleet. They're doing a fleet.
Fuck. I didn't see the keg.
Where the fuck are we going? You know he's still alive, right?
His ship is still alive?
No, he's still alive. I just didn't know. I think it's shotgun him. That's gotta get me. Unless he swarms something. Yeah, like a few. What? He's coming to us, is he? There we go, double bottom. Like bottom and... Is there like two of them or just one? Yeah. I know that, but there's a merm still here for some reason.
Is this our alliance sloop? It is our friend.
It's our slide.
Aye. Yeah, nice, man.
It's your favorite.
Yeah, I thought you liked that stuff. I thought you liked that stuff, Queen. What happened? No, you don't say.
Our sloop is not doing the... Oh, he maybe was. But he's not. So yeah. He's not doing the thing. Maybe he was getting shot at as he passed it.
Probably.
In
We've
there.
just been killing We've been killing everyone today. I love it. Siren Skull's back.
We got our mates still too.
Thank you for accepting this most adventurous of expeditions. I'm searching for a specific skull. That's why I asked multiple crews to embark on this voyage. Just be aware that once you have the chest
Also
key
require
and
it.
skull, visible to all the other crews, you might have to fight them off to claim the reward for yourself. As soon as you bring the skull of Siren Song to the destination I give you, I will make my presence known. So what are you waiting for? On with the quest. Oh, and good luck.
Okay.